Congratulations, 3 points, 4 goals and your first international goal. Great night.
Yeah, not a bad night's work. We knew how important it was for us to get off to a winning start tonight. We knew it wouldn't be easy. With us being the favourites to win the game at home, we knew they'd set out to make it difficult for ourselves. I think in previous years we haven't coped with these games very well, but I think credit to ourselves tonight. You can see how much we've grown as a team and how much better we face this type of opposition. So credit to ourselves to get the 4 goals and the win.
And a special feeling to score your first international goal?
Yeah, great feeling for me. It's been a long time coming. So to get it tonight is it's a big bonus for me on a personal level, and hopefully I can chip in with a few more goals in the future as well.
And the way the other players celebrated with you, it meant a lot to them as well.
Yeah, I think that's what it's all about. I think we've talked time and time again about how close knit we are, and anytime anyone scores for Wales, it means a lot to everyone.